Welcome back to Captain Fun Videos. Today we're going to make the mini AT-AT Walker in Lego. These are the pieces you need to build the mini AT-AT Walker in Lego. Let's start with the forelegs of the mini AT-AT Walker. You have to take the square smooth thingy and the thing they use to make the lightsabers. Put it like, like that. Oh wait, no, wrong way, sorry. Like that. And then we just have this, and we put it like that. And then you do it times 4. Let's do the body. First, let's take the 2x3, and then we just put the 1x2 in the middle. We have the smooth 1x2 and just put it on top. We have the 2 triangular thingies. Put it like that, and the same on the other side. Easy peasy. Now let's do the structures to put the legs and also the head. First, let's take this, just put that on top. Easy peasy. The same for the other one. And then you just put it under on this thing in the middle. And same for the other side. And then the head, you just have the triangular thingy on the one. And then you put all the legs together. Choose this side. You have to put it in the middle like that. And we finished the mini AT-AT Walker. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, share, and leave a like.